Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a taste test on hydroponic radish. So recently I did a video showing how to grow hydroponic radishes, and many people suggested that I do a taste test video on the radish. So here it is. So anyway, let's go into our grow tent and pick a radish and bring it back and try it out. Okay, here is the tent that contains the radishes. And for those that are curious, because I get this question asked very often, what is the setup? I have a 4x4x6 grow tent right here. And I am running the Spectra LED grow light, the Phaser X660. And I will provide all the information for those that are curious. But anyway, here it is. My radishes are grown right there in those two buckets. So we are going to harvest it and try it out. So here I have, these here are Miyashige. And here I have the icicle. Man, these things are like overgrown. Look at this. See, they no longer fit in the net cup area right here. So I have to lift it. And you can see my net cup is about to explode because the radish grew too much. So this is the one we're going to try. And just so you can see what's happening down here, there it is right there. The back there, those are Miyashige, and they grow massive root system because those things take about 60 to 70 days to go to full maturity. These are much faster. So these are around 30 days. So these are also the Miyashige, and you see how massive they can get, and of course they can't fit in there. Look at the root system, guys. It is crazy. So Miyashige grows huge root systems, and the leaves are very delicious. You can stir fry them, you can eat them raw. I love eating them in the salad. It has a little nice radishes taste. So not anything crazy. So let's go ahead and harvest this. And see, it's very easy. All you do is pull it up like this. Okay, right there we are. And that is my icicle. The leaves are really nice and edible, so you can eat that as well. So let me go ahead and take this inside. Try to take this out of here, and then we're gonna cut it open and try it out. Okay, here is a closer look at the radish that I've removed from the net cup. And look at this, the net cup stays permanently like this because it was like, I had to cut it open in order to get this thing out because it gotten so big that it formed the shape for the net cup. But you can cut the net cup and still use it. Just get a zip tie and you zip it like this and it'll be okay. So you didn't waste the net cup. But anyway, look at this beautiful radish. Pretty good size. And as I mentioned, the leaves are edible, and the bulb, of course, is edible. So let's give it a cut. Look at that. Very nice and beautiful on the inside. It smells just like a regular daikon radish. So let's cut a piece and try it. Okay, here we are. These are icicle radish that I grew in hydroponic. Smells just like a regular radish, like a daikon radish. Yep. So as I mentioned, the leaves are edible, cooked, or you can eat them raw. It has sort of like a very green vegetable taste with a slight radish flavor. It's not as strong as the one you grow in soil, but you can taste it. It has a little bit radish flavor, but mostly green, slight bitterness. Okay, so let's taste the root and see. Wow. Very juicy, sweet. There's no bite to it. And normally when you eat radish, you get like the spiciness to it. This has very little spice, more sweetness, very juicy, great flavor. There's a slight radish spice. That's when you know that this is a radish. Other than that, you may not even know it's a radish. Okay, so as I get towards the middle, there's more of a spiciness. So the intensity increased a little bit. Wow. Very juicy. It's almost like quenching your thirst in a way. I'm very surprised how good this is. I can imagine making very tasty kimchi radish out of these. Even make soups. So usually when we make pho, we would slow cook the daikon inside the broth for like a long period, maybe 1 day, sometimes 2 days, and just let it cook slowly in there, and it extract all of the flavor in the radish, and it gives the soup a nice sweetness. So that's what we use daikon for most of the time. And so of course we also use it to make some pickled daikon, and then also kimchi. Wow. Very tasty. It's watery. If there wasn't a spice to this, I would say it's like eating a melon. That is much crunchier. Or like a fruit, like an apple. So guys, I got these seeds, the icicle radish seeds from Home Depot. So you can go there and you can find the seeds package and grow some yourself. Grow them in soil. They're great in soil. If you can't grow it in soil, as you can see, we can grow it in hydroponic. You can harvest the radishes for the leaves. You can stir fry it. You can pickle. There's a lot of recipe online you can do. You can eat it in salad. You can eat it raw. So yeah, radishes are one of my favorite things to grow because they're so versatile and easy. And I haven't encountered too many pests, even when I grow them outside. Because usually radish, you grow them in the very cool months, in the colder months. So a lot of the times there's no pests that time of the year. So excellent kind of crop to grow. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that video. These are icicle radish. I also grow the other daikon, miyashige, and I forgot what other varieties there are, but they're daikon types. So thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.